The first thing I'd like you to do in Unit 0 is go ahead and introduce yourself. There are some instructions posted here for what I'm looking for in that introduction. One of the things that I do require for full credit is for you to post a picture of yourself along with your introduction. There is a link to a video here. It's a YouTube video that you can click on. It was provided courtesy of one of my colleagues, and it will show you how to insert an image into your post. When you are ready to post your introduction, click on this link that says Introductions right here. You'll see that I have already posted an introduction, and then as students introduce themselves, there will be a longer list here. To read any of those posts, you simply click on the thread link. It will open, you can read it, and then you can reply if you would like to by clicking on this reply button here. You can see that when you first come out here, you will want to click on this link, Create Thread. You'll get the description again. The subject will be your name, and then down in the text box is where you will type your introduction. This little icon right here is what you click on to insert that image of yourself that's required. I'm not going to go into any more detail about that because that's covered in that YouTube video that I just told you about. When you have finished with everything, you're going to make sure that you click on the Submit button down here. The next thing in the unit is a quiz over the syllabus. And this is just to ensure that you actually have read the syllabus and that we're on the same page. So when you're ready to take that quiz, you click on this link. There's some instructions here, and then when you're ready, you simply click on Begin, and it will take you to the multiple choice and true-false quiz over the syllabus. Next, we are going to download some software that you will need to use for this class. You're going to click on this link right here. It will take you to an external website. It's an Oracle website where you can download Oracle SQL Developer. There are some instructions posted here, and there's also some instructions on the external website. You'll want to make sure that you get that installed properly on your computer. And then once that is downloaded and installed, you're going to go in and open that software, the SQL Developer, and you need to create a connection to the EDU database that we're using for this course. So there's some instructions here. You're going to want to read this all very carefully. The first time you try to connect to the EDU database, you're going to click on this how-to file right here, and it will open a PDF file with all the instructions on how to set up a new database connection. You just follow that step by step with my screenshots, and this is a one-time process to create that connection. You shouldn't have to do that again once you get your connection established. And after you're actually connected to the database, then you're going to want to go in and change your password, and the instructions are posted here how to change your EDU1 password. That will open a PDF file also that shows you the command you need to type in and how to change your password. You will know what your user ID is for this course because it has been posted under the My Grades link in Blackboard. It will look like this. Under My Grades, you see there's a column heading EDU1 user ID, and for me, I was assigned Aura 411. You'll have something similar, and then the default password you'll use the first time that you log in is posted here. That's what it happens to be the semester that I created this video, but make sure and read that carefully in case it's changed. It is case sensitive, and in this case it's all lowercase. You followed the instructions on how to change your password so that it will be changed to something that only you will know, and make sure that you keep track of that password and know what it is for the remainder of the semester. And again, I just want to emphasize that it will be case sensitive however you type it in. So once you've downloaded the software, established the connection, changed your password, then you're going to go ahead and download the student data files that we need for this semester. There's a link here to download a zipped file, and it contains a bunch of scripts and SQL commands that you will need this semester Just hold on to those once you download them, save them somewhere on your computer, and then wait until you're given instructions in your textbook. As you're instructed, either through the instructions I give in Blackboard or through the textbook, to run those files, then go ahead and do that. You'll see when you download the zipped file that there will be a folder for each chapter in the textbook, and the files associated with that chapter will be in that folder. Once you have all the steps completed and you're set up with the software and you can log in and you've got the files downloaded, you can wait for Unit 1 to show up, and that is where you get your first reading assignment in the textbook and your first hands-on assignment. I am glad to have you in class this semester. Feel free to contact me with any questions that you might have, and I will see you in Unit 1.